And things are beginning to ramp up just to the west of us now, folks, in terms of the severe threat. In the meantime, on the WVTM 13 Live Doppler, a real-time look at changing conditions. We're looking at this storm here in Talladega County, which for a while there had a fairly impressive signature on it that has since weakened quite a bit. Still some rain there, though, over the eastern part of the state, moving off to the northeast, and really fairly quiet weather from I-65 on west to about the state line. Things do change beyond that. Here is the storm currently moving along the Talladega-Clay County line. As you can see, still some rain with it, some cloud-to-ground lightning, but nothing that looks all that threatening. Big change off to the west of us. Two active tornado warnings now, one just west of Marion and Lamar counties, another one a little bit further southwest. Both of these storms indicating possible rotation. The one in the south in particular has had a tornado debris signature with it. That storm is moving in such a fashion that it might affect southern Lamar, northern Pickens County here in about an hour or so. Even sooner than that would be this one off to the north. All right, a close look at this one. This appears to be a tornado debris signature based on the information we're getting out of the Jackson Weather Service office. That storm moving east-northeast with a dangerous storm could eventually get to Pickens and Lamar County. And up to the north, looks like a hook echo here. Possible debris signature on the southwest flank of this thing. This is only about 20 minutes west of Lamar and Marion counties, so it is possible a tornado warning would be issued there as this storm moves in. Tornado watch remains in effect from Jefferson and Blount counties on west through 9 o'clock. Now the latest what's going on here for the next few days with Adrian Castellano.
So Jerry, the big question, what happens as we move through the evening hours? So once again, there's the tornado watch that's in effect. Over the evening time frame, we're expecting those rain chances to begin to increase as those storms back into Mississippi move our way. Here's a look at one of our computer models. You can see that once we get closer to 8 or 9 o'clock, some of those storms begin to affect our northwest counties. They'll already affect our northwest counties before that time frame, likely as soon as around 6 p.m. in Marion County, that one tornado warning storm just off to your west. But notice through portions of Winston County into Coleman County, back into Walker County and Fayette County through the early to mid evening hours. That's when the conditions are greatest for a tornado in northwest Alabama. Notice what happens though as we move closer to 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Those storms, they're less individual, less supercellular structure, and now we're looking at more of a line. At this point, we could have an isolated area or two with some damaging wind gusts, but the tornado threat after 8 p.m. goes way down, and that trend continues through the nighttime hours. Check out by around midnight or so, that line's pushing through the Birmingham metro, hardly anything left to it. A skinny band of some heavier rainfall, otherwise just some scattered showers, and that trend will once again continue through the nighttime hours. In fact, by early tomorrow morning, that line approaching the state capitol, and we're looking at no thunderstorms left, just some scattered light to moderate rain showers in that forecast. That'll continue to progress through our Sunday afternoon. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. You can see a morning shower out there for tomorrow, then improving conditions for the first part of the week. Showers and perhaps some thunderstorms return to the forecast for the second half of the coming week.